All right. If I'm not back in 15 minutes, wait longer. That's a steep hill. All right, there's 3 trees right over there that I'm going to take. I'll be right back. You okay? Good. Man, it's coming down. That sucks. Oh.
If we need more pieces, this is pretty straight, man. These two.
Oh, fuck, come on.
Ready? Use the skirt, upskirt shot on your GoPro. I did no pitch just to see if we could do it. This one bitch on alone, this Australian one, who tapped because she couldn't get a fire going.
I put it out.
She got a fucking tiny ferro rod. Like, if you're gonna use that as your items, why wouldn't you like a chunky one?
Yeah. Goes for the wind.
See, if they knew how to find fatwood out there, they would probably been okay. Not, you know, super cold 50-degree weather. Literally, I did living on the Pacific Northwest over there with no predators. Ooh, good fire. That was easy. You did luck out with some dry tinder though.
Yeah.
Get our tinder put away so it didn't get wet. What's this little bag from?
My original pillow.
That's what I thought. Small one, right?
Yeah.
And you had to upgrade?
It was, it couldn't withstand the pressure of me fucking putting my elbow on it to reposition.
GoPro waterproof enough for this?
Oh yeah.
Nice.
That thing will go underwater, bud.
Oh, I know, but a lot of people get the cases still.
Oh no, the newer ones, you don't need it. I've had that one underwater.
That's cool. I think you showed me the video of it a long time ago.
Look at that, kids, in the pouring rain. All natural tinder.
For now.
We did it. Fatwood to the rescue.
Oh, there's the little hard worker right there. Cheese. Upskirt shot.